And this is the final look and start of this really nice Troy Bilt that I got. This is a 21-inch push mower, 675 series, 190cc engine, 6.75 gross torque engine. And this was a moving sale. And he had really overfilled this with oil, which backed into the air filter. But cleaned this up, changed the oil, changed the air filter, and it's in really nice condition. Also got the side chute, and the grass catcher came with this. Very small yard. And that air filter was filthy, so I changed that. And here's the new filter here. Exact replacement. But you can see it is just really greasy and it's very heavy, which is why this was probably smoking a little bit, I'm sure. But we've since changed oil. Now we'll replace this greasy air filter. Let's clean this housing out first too. And that's better. There's no need to put a brand new air filter in a greasy housing. And this should improve how it runs greatly. Got a new air filter in there. Everything is in nice condition on here. A little scuffed up on the side, which is typical. That's the model and serial number of this Troy Bilt that comes out. And this oil was like sludge in here. We changed that. And if that comes out, it's registering to that top hole like it should. It actually given me a bottle of Briggs & Stratton 30 weight motor oil, which is exactly what I used in here. And looks much cleaner now. This was all caked with grass clippings and just debris from all the oil that has spilled out that attracted dirt. So the worst thing you can do is to air-cooled engine is to have more heat going in it. Looks nice underneath. That blade was a little beat up. Sharpened and balanced this blade. And I'm just going to pull this dipstick out and let this drain. The oil is draining. We're going to go ahead and take this blade off and get rid of this rope wrapped around the crankshaft and all this junk. And I did pull the spark plug boot out as well before we started. Should be a 5/8 inch. Let's see if this will come off. This blade looks a little beat up. And the blade was loose. Star pattern blade here. This thing looks chewed up. Let's take a look at it here. Yep, it is beat up. I'll put another edge on it. See if we can at least make this blade in a little better shape. Definitely been hitting something. And this blade's a little bit heavy on this end. We're going to take a little bit of metal off the back here. See if we can make it more in balance. And that is much better. It's now in balance like it should be. This blade's pretty beat up. Put an edge on it. This side here's got some notches in it, so we're just going to use this blade as is. And we're going to fill this up with oil with this 30 weight that the owner left with this lawnmower. Very nice condition Troy Bilt. Paint was starting to come off in the side chute area here. And let me show you behind the grass catcher how nicely that cleaned up. And all plastic back here, but it cleaned up. And you can see the blade looks good under there. Nice and sharp now. And this Troy Bilt turned out really nice. So let's give it its final start here. Auto choke engine. very lightweight with a plastic lawnmower. Here we go. Runs very nice. Sharp blade on here now. Troy Bilt lawnmower.